Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to be doing a 12 by 12 scrapbooking page. It feels like ages since I've done one of these. I will link up my scrapbooking playlist below though, because I do have loads and loads of different types of scrapbooking videos. So that list is below for you. However, today I'm scrapbooking for a reason. This is a bonus video and that's because I am sponsoring a challenge, with it being International Scrapbooking Weekend. Now, the challenge that I'm sponsoring is for UK Scrap Addicts. It's a group over on Facebook, loads and loads of scrapbooking inspiration and challenges, all that kind of thing. So I will link that Facebook group up for you as well. Now, I have been given a list of things to include in this layout for my challenge. It's Star Wars themed. Or rather, the theme of the scrapbook is Star Wars themed. I need to include gold, numbers and letters, but that's not for the title, and scrapbooking about when something has been lost in translation. If you can't do that, include 2 of something. I'm using the this is my rather messy kit that I'm working from, the You Are My Sunshine box, which is my own Lollipop Box Club kit. It's very sunny, so that's perfect for this page. Lots of gold, and I have actually got a photo here of my kids in over in Star Wars in Hollywood Studios in Florida. There was a complete misunderstanding, and so that is absolutely perfect for this page. So I'm going to be documenting the story. Now, as usual, when it comes to my 12 by 12 pages, I tend to start with a white 12 by 12 cardstock. So I'm going to start with that, and I'm going to get a bit of paint on the base. Any products that I'm using, I will link up below. Favorite way to apply paint is to use an old credit or gift card, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. And then I'll give that a good dry, and I'm going to start some stamping then. So I've got this really old stamp set here, and I've placed some onto this acrylic block, but I've actually amidst it got the word fun. So it's like a little hidden message, and I'm going to use my black ink pad and stamp over the page. I want it to appear around the outside. So I've stuck my paper down. I was going to do the stamping underneath, but I've decided to do it on top here, and I'm just going to add the stamping like that. Just added the year there as well, 2017. Just a word of warning, if you decide to do this, just go careful, because you think letters are at random and suddenly you realise you're spelling actually something that isn't very nice. That's just happened to me, so I've had to jiggle around my words, so just go careful if you do this. Stamping done, I've got the photo on there, and I want to add some, I'm going to do some sewing, I think, for my journaling lines. The easiest way I find to do this is to use a ruler and pencil, and then go over with your paper piercer to create the holes. Right, I've just finished that. That just felt like it took forever, but I'm pleased. It's one of those jobs, I've just realised I'm missing a stitch there. I need to add that. It's one of those jobs that does take a long time. I did sit and watch a Florida video, a Florida vlog, while I was doing it, just to make the time go by a bit easier. But I'm always pleased when it's done, even if it is just a bit boring doing it. The other thing I sometimes do is save it and then do it in the car, or when I'm watching something on TV. I just really like how for journal lines it just adds a nice bit of texture to a page. Taken a few bits from the kit. I've got stickers, and I've taken out of the die cut pack some die cuts that I might use. I've also got some stickers here as well, which I will link up below, and I'm also going to cut out some of the clouds from another piece of the paper from the kit as well. And I think journaling and just adding the bits and pieces, and then I'm done. Take my gold pen, and I'm just going to colour in just some of the letters here that stand out a little bit. They're not my title, so I'm getting around it like that. I don't even know if I'm going to do a title on this page. I don't always add titles. There's no law to say you have to, is there? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Titles always used to be a big thing for me years ago, but I've kind of played them down a little bit. I think since using my traveller's notebook, I don't worry about them so much, as long as the journaling's on the page. That's my main focus. I think I'm going to use these letters as my title, and it's going to be whoops, and that's going to start the story. I've added the story, I've got my title there, and now I'm going to complete the journaling on here to tell the story. So that is my finished page. I've done my journaling, and look how perfect was that. I got that journaling spot on. So the story was, the kids had been really excited. They'd planned this pose for one of the Disney photographers. We came out of Star Tours and the photographer was there. The idea was they wanted Louis to lay on the ground with Holly holding the lightsaber over him as if she had killed him. But the photographer said no when he realised what they wanted to do. It wasn't allowed, no killing in Disney. So I think I've completed it. I've got letters and numbers. I've used some gold, and I've got the whole lost in translation, the misunderstanding type thing there, because she wasn't really going to kill him, was she? It's all a bit silly. And I've obviously got my little twosome there as well. Our two are as thick as thieves. So that's my layout using this month's Lollipop Box Club kit, which I am very, very happy with. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate it. I have creative things on this channel every single week. And if you like Disney, I have a Disney fix each Saturday as well. And I do lots of kind of Disney DIYs and all that kind of thing as well. So please let me know if you are new, and if you have enjoyed this, let me know if you are a scrapbooker, and if you're scrapbooking this weekend to celebrate National Scrapbooking Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye.